What's up, guys? Another day, another do-it-yourself video. Today, Steptronic gear selector on an E90. Actually, you're gonna want to get the part number. Complaining about the indicator lights on his gear lever aren't showing up when he switches through gears, as well as when he goes into manual sport mode. It'll say manual sport mode until he pulls up to a light, and then it'll go back into drive. So we're going to replace the gear selector. We'll see if that's what's broken. If not, you'll never see this video action. Oh, twist action. And wiggle out that cable too, make sure it's dangling. Be careful with this thing, it's really expensive. There's 3 connectors underneath. 1, 2, and 3. Pull straight up. Very hard. This thing and 2 screws. 1, 2. Press these things out. Press and release. Seatbelt out of the way. And we're going to remove this plastic clip here. Then I'll open up the shoulder a little more. Wedging from here. Pull it out. careful. This plastic notch slides back into here upon install, as well as this clip. Goes back where it belongs as well. This on both sides. Okay, both sides now. I disconnect these 3 connections. And in the gaiter hole, 2 connectors. This one which sits on a track in the middle, which you'll release with your pick and pull at the same time. There's also that pink connector behind it as well. We're trying to feed this gaiter through the hole here to get this up and out. And around the handbrake. This connector needs to be freed up before I can get this out. Same thing, it's on a track. Just press and push. That's good. And last plug right here. Also, I don't show you, but there's a wiring harness running along the left side of the gear shift. Make sure you unplug that as well. But alright. 1, 2, 3. Take these torxes out, rip the sucker out. Here's that document showing the different versions of selector cable underneath there. It says version 4 twice, so there's 5 versions. These first two links are exactly the same. I'll click on this one. Just want to make sure I cover everything here. Some more versions for you. And there's that last version 4, version 5, you know what I mean. Adjusting the gear shift lever. There you go. All right. Thank you. Subscribe.